Hi there, I'm going to try and take you through setting up your branded white label reseller dashboard on your domain in 5 minutes or under. So when you sign up, you'll end up at this URL here, launch.alertrocket.com, and you should already be logged in, I would say, but I'll just sign in to my dashboard. And once you're inside, you won't have any accounts, obviously, because this will be a new account you've just created for yourself. You'll want to go here to portal settings, so click on that and you'll see this screen here. Now the things that you need to fill in are the brand name for your portal. So mine's Push Local, so I guess it'll focus around your domain name choice or your business name. Then in this box here, you want to put the actual link that you're going to be using as your branded portal. So as I explained in the previous video, I set up a subdomain called my on my pushlocal.mobi domain, so my.pushlocal.mobi. So you're going to need to remember that, and remember this information down here, portal.alertrocket.com, because this is where they give you some brief instructions here where you're going to go to your hosting and set up your C name. Now the logo we'll get to, but so what you're going to want to do next is you want to go to your domain that you've registered, and mine is pushlocal.mobi and /cpanel. So assuming you're on one of the major web hosts like GoDaddy, HostGator, all of those good web hosts, and you've registered your domain and you've set it up on there, then go to cPanel and log in with your credentials, and there you go. You'll see the normal cPanel screen, which I'm hoping most of you will have seen before and be familiar with, or even if not, this is what you'll be looking at. So you want to go down to see domains and then click on Simple DNS Zone Editor, and you're going to want to add your CNAME record here where it says add a CNAME record. We're going to capture this bit of text here, so you're going to highlight it, you can right click and copy, and then we're going to go back to our cPanel and we're going to paste it in, right click and click paste where it says CNAME. Now you'll notice I've been talking quite a bit about a subdomain, and I actually did the process a little differently to what I'm going to show you, or what I am showing you here, since I have access to my server in a different way. So I actually created a subdomain my and then did the CNAME after that, but you don't actually need to do that. You can actually, without creating a subdomain at all, just put whatever you like in front of your main domain and then do the CNAME here. So all you need to do is register your main domain, and you can actually have your main domain pointing to this if you like, but the easiest thing to do is I would recommend keep your main domain for whatever other purposes, for maybe advertising the front end product to business owners. So I've kept pushlocal.mobi as my main domain, and I created the subdomain my so that I got my.pushlocal. But all you need to do, you don't need to create a subdomain, you just come straight here and just type in here where it says name whatever you like. So for my example, I would type my, but I could type let's say push, and it just sets it up for you, and it creates the CNAME to direct that to portal.alertrocket.com. And so effectively, once you add that as a CNAME record, then from this point on, push.pushlocal.mobi in my case will actually link with portal.alertrocket.com. And once I do the settings in my reseller dashboard, which I'll explain, I will get my reseller at push.pushlocal.mobi. So I will type that, and my clients will also type that into their web browser to log in to their client area, or for me to log into my master reseller where I set up clients. So I hope that makes sense. So all you need to do is just type in whatever you want to call your reseller on your domain. So you don't need to set up the subdomain, just type in here that word, so it automatically adds the rest of your domain name. So type in push or my or messages or whatever you like. Once you click that add CNAME, then you're done, and you just need to just wait a little while for the universe to catch up and align, and in an hour or so what you'll find is that instead of being on the alertrocket.com domain, when you actually go, so I'll just sign out of there, and I will go and log in with my actual you can't see all this, my.pushlocal.mobi, and there I am on my branded domain. I'm actually already logged in and remembered, so it just went straight to it. So we'll go back to the portal settings. So we've done the redirect in my cPanel account. I've set that up, pointed my.pushlocal.mobi to portal.alertrocket.com, clicked add CNAME, and it was all done. So I ended up here, and I've got this lovely logo. So what you need to do there is you simply, using any graphics program, you can even just use Paint, whatever you're comfortable with, or go to fiverr.com and ask someone to create a logo for you, and just make sure that you'll use these dimensions, 728 by 90. So you basically just go and click the choose file button, go and find your graphic that you're going to use, and just let me show you. So I'll just basically be searching through my hard drive, and I'll be finding an image there, JPEG. Choose that, I won't do it right now, and then click save, and your portal is done. It's the settings here and the logo, and back at your cPanel where your domain that you've chosen for this is hosted, doing the CNAME record. That's the steps that are involved in branding your portal, and you end up with a lovely dashboard where you can add all your clients and set them up with their own little dashboard, and they will then, if I log out of here, they will then come here to your branded domain when they want to send their push messages